Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a link to your Wix website. First, log into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit by click on Design Site. Once you are in, now select the element where you want the link. This could be a text, a button, or an image. For example, I am selecting the text. Just have to click on this. Now look for the small link icon that appear below or above the text or about the object you have selected. As you can see here, you just have to click on that and here comes a pop-up window. Here you can choose to link to a page, web address, section, top and bottom page, document, and so on. After you're done with choosing, click on Done and paste your link. And finally hit on the preview button at the top right side. And when everything works properly, click on the publish button at the top right side beside the preview button to make it live. And that's it. You added a link to your Wix website in just a few steps. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.